Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Misty Morning Water Marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using for the water marble are from the Muse Polish Grey-nbow Collection. We have Violet Pour, Green Slate, and Balloon Away. And then for the base color, I'm going to be using Zoya Kristen. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once I've got my bullseye complete, I'm going to go ahead and draw from the center out to the sides, and then I will be drawing in some chevrons. For this cup, I'm just going to be dipping my thumb, and then for the others, I'll be dipping nails 2 at a time. But I'm just going to go ahead and line up and then dip in. Once the excess polish is cleared from the surface, I'm going to go ahead and slowly pull out. There's the water marble design. Then I'll be removing my protection and marbling the rest of my nails. Once I've done all my nails, I'm going to go on for cleanup using a Q-tip for anything that was outside of the protection, and then going in close around my nail with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Before I do cleanup on my right hand, I'm going to add the Skittle colors to the non-accent nails. Once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished water marble, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. As soon as I got the Muse Polish Grey-nbow Collection as PR, I wanted to give it a try water marbling, and all of the colors actually spread really well despite having microflakes in them. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can have a look at that holo, and if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.